Hey all, welcome to Advait's class again. Last day we were continuing our chapter motion. So today also I will continue with motion itself. So mm, okay, I'm trying out a new board, so I don't know how it works. Okay, Makale, we're gonna start with we did average velocity and speed. I will be continuing with that portions numericals. New sorry numericals. Numericals. Okay, you know what is numericals, right? Yeah. Numericals means silence, please. Numericals means what is this thing? അപ്പോൾ ന്യൂമറിക്കൽസ് നമ്മുടെ ഫസ്റ്റ് ടോപ്പിക്ക് ന്യൂമറിക്കലിൻ്റെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ആണ്. I will dictate the question. You can write it. A cheetah. I'll write the question because it's a big question. Cheetah is fastest land animal. Fastest land animal. And achieved a peak velocity of 100 km/h raised to -1. This R is not there, but this can. km/h raised to -1. Up to distance less than 500 meter if cheetah spots his prey at a distance of 100 meter. What is the average time, average mode time will take to get its prey? Not average. You write minimum time here, okay? Time. Velocity equal to 3 kilometer hour rate. Next one. So what is given? What is given? What is given? Given v, initial velocity. Sorry, velocity, not initial. Nothing is given. 2 meter per second, and s is equal to 100 meter. Average velocity is equal to 30 dist by t time, right? Or t distance, t dist by t time. So time is equal to s by average velocity. So time is equal to 100 90 into 5 by 18. 5 by 18 is equal to 450 by 18 is equal to 25 meter second raised to negative 1, and time is equal to 100 by 25. So here it's a conversion, okay, conversion. You can write here conversion. Or time is equal to 100 by 25, which is equal to 24, yeah, 4 meters, 4 seconds. Okay. Next page. Okay, next. That was the questions from average velocity and average speed. So now we will be moving towards acceleration. Before acceleration, we are writing the final velocity. Final velocity and initial velocity are two terms. You know initial velocity and final velocity as final velocity v and initial velocity u. uv. And this is the thing we have to learn. Acceleration. We all heard about acceleration. What do you mean by acceleration? Very important topic. Very, very important topic. Rate of change of velocity per unit time. ഇതാണ് ആക്സിലറേഷൻ്റെ ഡെഫിനിഷൻ. Acceleration is denoted as A, and when I write, I'm going to write ACCLN of 25 meters per second. Like that only I will write. I won't write acceleration fully. So then we have to know before then this rate of change. So rate is divided by time. That rate means divided by time. Change means subtraction. Then change change of subtraction of velocity per unit time. Yeah, per time. That's the meaning. So, rate of change of velocity divided, something is divided by. So, x and y, x minus y by time ആണ് acceleration എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ. അപ്പോൾ what is x? So x is equal to v, x is equal to v and y is equal to u. അപ്പോൾ എന്താ? v minus u by t. അതിനു മുമ്പ് ഞാൻ ഇവിടെ പറഞ്ഞു final velocity v, u എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ initial velocity. So change of velocity എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ change of velocity change of velocity എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ change of velocity പറഞ്ഞാൽ final velocity, തരം velocity ഉണ്ടെന്ന് നമ്മൾ പഠിച്ചു. Final velocity minus initial velocity divided, the whole divided, not only one, not only initial, whole divided by time. The equation for the acceleration. So how do we write? A is equal to v minus u by t. മനസ്സിലായോ വല്ലോ? SI unit of point ആണ്. SI unit of acceleration A is meter second raised to 2 or meter second square. Negative acceleration, അപ്പോൾ പോസിറ്റീവ് ആക്സിലറേഷൻ മാത്രമല്ല, ഇപ്പം ഒരു ബോൾ ഓൺ വെർട്ടിക്കലി അപ്വേർഡ്സ് അവിടെ നിന്നുണ്ടാവുന്ന എന്നിട്ട് തിരിച്ചു വരുന്നുണ്ടല്ലോ, അത് റിട്ടാർഡേഷൻ എന്ന് പറയും. നെഗറ്റീവ് ആക്സിലറേഷൻ is called retardation. Or deacceleration. Deacceleration. Okay, next. I'll start with the question. Question number 1 from acceleration. After acceleration, it is the equations of motion. Okay, so be ready. I will do two questions. A body starts from stationary Okay, please change the question. This is small mistake. It's not small, very small mistake. A body starts starts to slide over a horizontal surface with an initial velocity of u of 0.5 meter per second to friction. It's not at rest. Okay, its velocity decreases at the rate of 0.05 meter second raised to -2. How much time will it take for the body to stop? How much time will it to stop? Okay, so ഇതാണ് question. Answer. How it is like, so we know v is equal to 0. Is it u is equal to 0? No, we know v is equal to 0, u is equal to 0.5 meter second, then a is equal to minus 0.05 meter per second. So minus 0.05 is equal to 0.5 by t. Minus 0.05 is equal to 0.5 by t. നമ്മൾ അപ്പുറത്തേക്ക് എടുത്താലോ, t is equal to v minus u by a. 0.5 divided by 0.05 is equal to 5 by 10 divided by 5 by 100. Then 10 by 5 into 5 by 10 is equal to 10. Yes. Over 10 seconds. It is a I derivated from a is equal to v minus u by t. Like I changed the equation. I made it t is equal to v minus a by u by a. I transposed it. So that is the answer. You have to do this on your own, not by me. So I have to tell that too. Okay, next, one more question, last question of this topic. I have no easy questions, full hard questions only. Okay, this is also a very long question. I'll type it. That will be easy. Break to a car produce an acceleration of 6 ms raised to -2 in the opposite direction. To the motion of the car. Takes 2 seconds to stop. the brakes applied, find initial velocity. Okay. So here acceleration is given. A is given as 6 10 raised to negative 2. Then time is given 2 seconds. Okay. So we know that V is 0. And U we don't know. U we don't know. V is 0. U we have to find out. So what we do is U V A is equal to U V minus U by T ne now transpose ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ U is equal to V plus 80 എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ equation കിട്ടും. U is equal to V plus 80. അപ്പോൾ 0 is equal to U plus negative 6 into 2. 0 is equal to minus 12. U is equal to 12 meter per second. Very simple. Very, very simple. Okay, that is all for acceleration topic. Now we will move on to equations of motion. Equations of motion. First equation of motion is V is equal to U plus AT to S is equal to U plus half AT square. Then V square minus U square is equal to 2AS. Here S is equal to height, distance or any varied quantity. Yeah. Okay, so adana paradi. Then we everybody knows the final velocity. U also, A also, T also. So we will write a question. We will write 2 questions from this topic. I will write this very neatly here and you must copy it down. Write equations of motion. Equations of motion. We will spend more time on this most probably. V is equal to U plus AT and second one S is equal to UT plus half AT square and V square minus U square is equal to 2AS. I will spotlight V minus U plus 8. V is equal to U plus 80. Adine I can write that as definitely write that as U is equal to V minus 80 and all. See, different derivations, different equations, etc. are there. But അപ്പോൾ അത് സോ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് മനസ്സിലാവും ദാറ്റ് ദിസ് ക്യാൻ ബി റീഅറേഞ്ച്ഡ് ആൻഡ് ഓൾ. സോ ഈ വി എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഫൈനൽ വെലോസിറ്റി, യു എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഇനീഷ്യൽ വെലോസിറ്റി, എ ആൻഡ് ടി ആർ ക്വാണ്ടിറ്റീസ് ദാറ്റ് ക്യാൻ ബി മെഷർഡ്. പിന്നെ എസ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എന്താ? എസ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഡിസ്റ്റൻസ്, ഡിസ്പ്ലേസ്മെന്റ്, എനിത്തിങ്. Okay, so we will write some questions. A body, question 1, a body type. That's more, this is very hard to, do this thing. See, rather than Premathodano Krishna. Okay. A body starting from rest travels with uniform acceleration if it travels 100 meter in 5 seconds. Okay, that's the question. Very simple. I will have to do different problems. This answer. Initial velocity u is equal to 0. A arilla. T 5 seconds. And S is 100 meter. 100 S is distance. So S ഇവിടെ ആണ്. അപ്പം അത്രേ തന്നിട്ടുള്ളൂ. അപ്പം നമുക്കൊരു ഇക്വേഷൻ ഉണ്ട്. S is equal to T plus half AT square. I'll show you. S is ഈ ഇക്വേഷൻ. ആ ഇക്വേഷൻ ഇവിടെ യൂസ് ചെയ്യണം. ഇക്വേഷൻസ് ഇങ്ങനെ ഇക്വേഷൻസ് കുറേ ഉണ്ട്. സോ വി ഹാവ് ടു ഇക്വേറ്റ് ദം. Okay, now we know 100 meter equal to S u എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ 0 plus half into A എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ അറിയില്ല into 25. സോ ഈ ഒരു സൈഡിനെ നമ്മൾ ചെയ്യുക. 25/2 കിട്ടും. 25A by 2. 25A by 2. 25A by 2. 25A by 2. അപ്പോൾ A എന്തായിരിക്കും? A is equal to 100 into 2 by 25. നമ്മൾ ട്രാൻസ്പോസ് ചെയ്യണം. Then is equal to 200 by 25 is equal to 8 meter. Again raised to -2. One more question. Rajdhani Express Rajdhani Express ഇങ്ങനെ എഴുതുക. Express is moving with a velocity of 340 kilometers per hour. How much will it move in 30 seconds? 30 seconds. So this is the last question for today. V is equal to 340 kilometer per hour, or T is equal to 30 seconds. V is equal to displacement by time. So 340 into 5 by 18, so that we have to convert them. So V is equal to, again, 840 by 9, because this is 2 meter per second, because here it is second. Then what we do is 850 divided by 3 in kattale 8500 divided by 3, you will get 2833.33 recurring. 333333 you will get. That's all for today. Thank you. I'll show you some videos on